Hello all. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the Mangalore Kitchen. You know, in Mangalore, every house smells different around lunchtime. Today, I'm making something we love back home. Mangalore style fish tawa fry. So first, I grind about 15 to 20 dry red chilies with 4 spoons of coriander seed. Then I add a lemon-sized bit of tamarind, a little water, half a spoon of turmeric, salt and a spoon of ginger garlic paste. This paste, it's the heart of the dish. Now I just coat the fish with it and let it rest for a bit. In the pan, I pour a little coconut oil. That's the magic touch. Then some curry leaves, but we always tear them by hand. You know, it makes the flavor stronger. A bit of chopped green chili and then the fish goes in. We fry it till it's perfectly crisp on both sides. And when you take that first bite, spicy, tangy, smoky, it's like tasting Mangalore itself. Warm people, bold flavors, and a lot of heart.